Hi there, Sophia here. Happy New Year. I'm so happy you stopped by today because the first video of the year is going to be a curated list of the things that I have absolutely loved in 2023. I've narrowed it down to things that I either found to be beautiful, very useful, or just make me feel good. Let's start with the first thing that I have absolutely loved using, and that is this aromatherapy diffuser. It can also be used as a humidifier. It has 7 light settings on it. It's just beautiful in the room. This comes as a set. It comes beautifully packaged. The essential oils that it includes come in this. Each little bottle has a beautiful pure essential oil. The scents that it includes are lemon, rose, bergamot, tea tree, peppermint, lemongrass, lavender, sweet orange, vanilla, sandalwood, eucalyptus, and rosemary. You can combine these oils, maybe put 2 drops of bergamot, 1 of sweet orange. You can make any scent you like. But one thing that I know that you'll notice right away is how gorgeous your home smells. You can make it smell like a spa. If you're having a day where you feel some allergies or feel stuffy or a cold coming on, you can put a few eucalyptus drops in there and then just kind of lean over it and breathe it in, and it is just so good. It feels so good for your sinuses. I've used it in my office. I put it in my family room. I put it in my living room sometimes just to freshen up the air, and even in the kitchen after I've cooked something and I want to just get rid of the smells of whatever I've cooked, I'll put this on. I especially love this in my bedroom for the lavender scent. I'll leave this in my bedroom with the lavender on just before I go to bed. You can also set it. It has time settings. It has 7 different lights. It has 4 timer settings, and it has 3 misting modes. It just works so beautifully. I think that any home with this would be a wonderful thing to have. These also make very beautiful gifts. So I'm going to put the link below so you can enjoy shopping on their site as well, because they do also sell these oils separately and also in little gift packages. And I'm thinking Valentine's Day is coming up, Mother's Day is coming in May, and I'm always looking for something beautiful to give as gift, and this is just lovely. The other thing that I wanted to show you of the past year that has been one of the best purchases I ever made, and it was this micro dart stitcher. This has come in so handy. Ever since I got it, I can't stop using it. It comes with these refills. They're tiny little plastic stitches, and they come in these cartridges. The box came with clear and with black, and the way it works is like this. Take it, push it through, make sure it goes completely through the fabric, and then stitch. That's it. It's staying in place. You can use it on anything. Fantastic buy. It comes very nicely packaged, and you can buy these little cartridges separately. The next thing I wanted to talk about that was a great buy was this light. And this, I use this not only for when I'm filming. The way it offers illumination is fantastic. I use it when I'm sewing or crafts and I want to have really good lighting on it. I'll just clip it up on something above it, and then it gives tremendous lighting. It's lightweight, it fits in my handbag, I can clip it right on my phone easily, and it has different settings, so you can put it also horizontally to get good lighting that way, and it's very lightweight. Love this one, highly recommend it. Next thing that has been a game changer for me has been this hair towel. I love it so much. It's huge. It's lightweight. I just used it today. I use it every time that I wash my hair. It cuts my hair drying time in half. It's very reasonably priced. It's a microfiber. It absorbs the moisture fantastically. And it also cuts down on the frizz. And when you live in a humid temperature, this is a great thing to have. The next thing is this pillow. I told a lot of people about this. This is the twisty pillow. You can use it for back support. I use it in my chair when I'm writing or working. I took it on the airplane. It has a little snap where you can just snap it together and hang it from your suitcase. It's wonderful behind your neck, super comfortable, and you can bring it all the way around and tuck it under your chin. If you're one of those that when you're on an airplane, your head is bobbing up and down, this will tuck under your chin as well. This was a great buy. I'm very happy I got this. The versatility of being able to twist it and shape it any way you like is great. The next thing I wanted to tell you about that was such a game changer for me is this pillow. I have my silk pillowcase over it. but this pillow has been amazing, and it really helped me with my neck pain. I have to say I am pain-free now. I had gone through a lot of physical therapy for having a stiff neck. I was uncomfortable, and the one thing that changed it was this pillow. This pillow has a removable lining. It's very soft against your skin. If you are having any sort of neck pain, or if you just want to train yourself to sleep on your back, you know, to eliminate the wrinkles that come from lying on your side and squeezing your face, this works. Also, it elevates your head if you are a side sleeper. So another high recommendation. And sleep is precious. The more sleep we have, the better we feel and the better we look. It helps with everything, with work and with just enjoying life in general. I bought this tea caddy because I have such a collection of teas, and I was really tired of having little boxes everywhere with tea. And now I have everything organized. The only thing about this tea caddy is that you do have to put it together. When it arrived, I was surprised that it wasn't in one piece. I probably should have read the description better, but it's a bunch of pieces of wood. But my husband put it together within 10 minutes, and I just love it. It's on my kitchen counter. I have all my teas at a glance, and anyone who comes in my kitchen says, "Oh, I love that tea caddy." So I think that was a great buy of last year. And the other thing that was a wonderful buy was this utility cart. It has wheels on it. It's lightweight. It fits right under my kitchen cabinet. I was able to put all my beautiful copperware there, which was taking up a lot of space under my cabinets. It is very sturdy and it's portable, so it works just great. And the last thing I want to tell you about is the scrubber. I showed this in another video. It's fantastic. You see the video next to me showing you how well it works. I've used it all over the house, in the kitchen, in the bathrooms, for the floors, anywhere that I don't feel like scrubbing. I just press the button and the scrubber does all the work for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you find something that maybe you would like to try. Or if you've tried any of those, please let me know how you like them. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year. Bye now.